What's up, my adventurous minions? Take you guys on an adventure today. I know some of you guys can't get out on an adventure. I'll be your eyes and your ears. I'll take you on an adventure. We're here at this Heavy's barbecue. Check it out. Guys wanna walk up in here? See what it's about? Check this out. Check it out, guys. Look at all these dollar bills, guys. It's pretty cool, ain't it, guys? To get your drinks, you come over here. Get your own drinks right here. That's pretty cool. Right back here's where they're cooking. Check him out. Right there's a cook. You want to say hi?
What is it?
Want to say hi?
Oh, man. Yeah. What's up?
If you guys get a chance, you guys got to come here and check this place out. Heavy's Barbecue, Tennessee. They got kayaks. You can rent kayaks, float down the river, walk around this whole area. Look at that smoke, guys, coming out of there. It smells so good. Just thought you guys might like this. Looks like a picnic area. Place is cool. Got the. Get that, guys. Hope you guys like this. Bunch of dollars right here.
Is it just me or am I walking uphill?
Come over here, guys. Check this out. Now we're going to teleport and just gonna go and wait for our food. Ready? Teleport. Back again, guys. We got our food right here. Check it out. Pound of ribs. Looks good, don't it? Bet you guys want a bite, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Get a bite of this, guys, right here. You guys want a bite? Here you go. You guys ate it. Was that good? I bet you that was good. Like I said, you guys got to come here and check it out. Heavy's Barbecue, Tennessee. Leave a like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.